Hey everyone, this is Jim with Jeep with Jim. Thanks for joining me. We got a great Molle panel from LED Factory Mart. We're going to go ahead and install today. We got the Molle panel for the side window. We got the top brackets and the bottom brackets lined up, all the hardware, so we're ready to go here. And so we are definitely ready. So this is the top of the Molle panel, we can tell, because it's got the wider spaced holes for the mounting bracket.
All right, now we'll mount the bottom brackets and we'll start with the right-hand side. Now for the left bottom bracket.
Well, there we have it, all mounted up and ready to go. Took about 5 minutes. It's good and solid, ready to go. Enjoy your wheeling with that. Make sure you put all your good tools on there, shovels, jacks, so on and so forth. It's an easy project, great to do. LED Factory Mart, you did a great job on this panel.